Hey friends, welcome to yet another video of the Tech Buzzer. In this short video, I am gonna show you how to fix this error 0xc000007b. The application was unable to start correctly.
Money fast, nigga.
Error generally occurs when you try to start recently installed games like GTA, Outlast, NFS, Watch Dogs, etc. or recently installed applications like CS6, After Effects, Adobe Lightroom, etc. So let's move on. You need to first download the software from the link given in the description and extract it with WinRAR. After extracting it, you will get like this. Open this folder and run it. Run and wait for some time. It will take some time to extract the package, so you have to wait for some time. So after full installation, it will show like this, and just press install and wait for 5 to 20 minutes. It will depend upon the processor of your system. After complete installation, restart your computer, and that's it. So this is how you can easily fix this error. Hope you guys like my video. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.